Chapter 2 Addition.
Adding 4-digit numbers without carryover.
Addition of 4-digit numbers is same as addition of 3-digit numbers.
We always start adding from the smallest place and move on towards the greatest place. For example, to add 3,452 and 4,123. First add ones. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 ones. Write 5 under ones column. Next add tens. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Write 7 under tens column. Next add hundreds. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Write 5 under hundreds column. Finally add thousands. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Write 7 under thousands column. Thus, the sum is 7,575. Adding 4-digit numbers with carryover. To add 4-digit numbers with carryover, we follow the given steps. For example, to add 3,756 and 2,376. First add the ones. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 ones. Since we cannot write 2 digits together, write 2 under ones column and carry 1 to the tens column. Next, add the tens. Don't forget the extra 1. 1 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 13 tens. Write 3 under tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Next, add the hundreds. Don't forget the extra 1. 1 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to 11 hundreds. Write 1 under hundreds column and again carry 1 to the thousands column. Finally, add the thousands. Don't forget the extra 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 6 thousands. Thus, the sum is 6,132. Properties of addition. Numbers can be added in any order. The answer remains the same. For example, the sum of 1,375 and 540 is 1,915. After changing the order of add-ins, it is again 1,915. When 0 is added to any number, the answer is the number itself. For example, 526 plus 0 is equal to 526. When we add 1 to a number, we get the next number or successor of the given number. For example, 1625 plus 1 is equal to 1626, which is the successor of 1625. Word problems. Example: there are 150 toffees in one packet and 250 in another packet. How many toffees are there in all? Toffees in first packet is equal to 150. Toffees in another packet is equal to plus 250. Total toffees is equal to 400. Example: there are 1,000 apples on first tree, 540 apples on the second tree, and 825 on the third tree. How many apples are there in all? Apples on first tree is equal to 1,000. Apples on second tree is equal to 540. Apples on third tree is equal to plus 825. Total apples is equal to 2,365. Estimation of sum to the nearest hundred. If you don't need an exact answer, you can estimate by rounding numbers.
Estimate the sum of 684 and 648 to the nearest hundred.
684 is closer to 700, whereas 648 is closer to 600.
You mean 684 can be rounded as 700 and 648 can be rounded as 600.
Yes, so the sum is 700 plus 600 is equal to 1300.